would definitely work with MDX intern again. It was definitely very pleasant experience. She was really helpful, and I find it really useful.
You've taken the time to find out a lot about what the business was all about, what can be done about it, and it just felt that we were really concentrating on the things that really needed to be done, so it worked really, really well, I think.
I would most certainly do it again. It's been a great help to grow the business and also to grow me as a person.
From his database, I've been able to sign up a couple of clients, and I'm currently negotiating terms with a third one.
For me, it was great to have her on board, and as I mentioned before, to have the insight that she has and to use her knowledge and skills, particularly with social media and marketing.
Working with the intern that I had was really useful because we were able to speak on a one-on-one basis to apply what I'd learnt from the social media part of the programme and really look at how I can actually apply it to the business.
I'm willing to do it again and shout it on top of the roof that everybody must go through this programme.